Okay, so, hey guys, if you can hear me in the background, that's because, yeah, this is my slime video. Now I have to post 4 videos today because yesterday I didn't get to post 3. I tried to post 2, but one wouldn't post, so it's gonna post. I will try to get one up after this, but I don't think I will be able to. Sorry, but tomorrow I promise there will be 3 videos. 1 to replace the one that I didn't get to do today. And if you're wondering how I made this slime, I will put the ingredients in the description below, but I will also tell you right here. I used Elmer's school glue. I used Gain laundry detergent. I don't know what made it pink. It just turned pink. And then I used these little Easter eggs from Food Fair. So, yeah, sorry for how short the video was and that I couldn't make 2 videos today. But, well, I guess this is the end of the video. Peace out. Hey, so that was my reaction of my slime video. And then here's this video. Don't know who posted it.
Welcome back to Macaroon. I am Joanna, and in this video we're going to play a game which I'm sure no
I'm wondering where my slime is right now. It's right here.
Which slime are you? So all
And
the last 2 digits of the number 6 is going to be your slime. If you happen to get a number larger,
so if you want another video of my slime, then here. I'm just gonna give you. I'm just gonna show you how my slime has been.
So you could end up being goldfish slime, diamond slime, or maybe
it's still pretty stretchy.
And if you're wondering about my t-shirt,
still pink. Still got most Easter eggs. Let's see. Can I do a slime swirl soon?
So if you want to check that out, then please click the link below. Before we get started, there's a quick message from the sponsors of this video, which is the game that I love to play called Best Fiends.
What?
Best Fiends.
Puzzle adventure game where
Okay, that's a slime swirl, guys. Oh my. Sorry about that, guys.
I'm on level 366, and I've also completed most of the Fiend side quests.
Hold on, I gotta do something, guys. Sorry, guys, there was the water effect, so I had to put water to it. Now, I'm going to put in some earrings. My outfit that I'm wearing today is a outfit of, like, with a color change star. So, since the color change star is a black star, so I might as well put on my black star earrings. happen. Okay. Okay guys, I'll be right back and my earrings will be in. Okay guys, sorry that this was a short video, but I'm mad. So, peace.